أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dear students, this is Manzoor sir, and today we are going to discuss about another important topic, that is the making of Germany or German unification. It's for class 10th. Subject is social science. So before going through this whole process of German unification, a simple question is being asked in your text, that is, can the army be the architect of a nation, or what kind of a role can army play in making of a nation? So let us discuss this whole process. After that, we will come to know that what kind of a role can army play in this whole process. So as we know, till 1848, the national sentiments were only mobilized by the liberals. But after 1848, these national sentiments were mobilized by the conservatives as well. This can be observed in the unification of Germany and in the unification of Italy. In the previous lecture, we discussed about the 1848 revolution, and we also talked about the Frankfurt Parliament, which was convened in 1848, 15th of March 1848 in the St. Paul. So this revolution, this was actually an attempt, it was an initiative by the liberals to unify the divided German states into a unified nation. But that very step, that very initiative of these liberals, as we all know, it failed, completely failed, because they had to face some oppositions from the conservatives and some other military forces. But from then, Prussia, here we will talk about Prussia. This Prussia was the part of these divided states of Germany, or we can say the Prussia was the part of the confederation of 39 states which were made by Napoleon Bonaparte during his reign. So here, after the failure of this revolution of 1848, Prussia took over the responsibility. And one thing here we should also remember that Prussia, among all these divided German states, Prussia was the most powerful and the most militarized state. So that's why this Prussia took the whole responsibility, of this whole process, that is the unifying Germany. So do you know who was Otto von Bismarck? This Otto von Bismarck, he was a military general and was appointed later on as a chief minister of Prussia by the Prussian king, namely William Kaiser I. So Otto von Bismarck was not appointed here as a chief minister by the people, but he was a hand-picked man by the Prussian king, that is William Kaiser I. That's as William Kaiser I knew that Otto von Bismarck had many qualities of leadership. That's why he appointed him as chief minister. So Otto von Bismarck is considered as the architect of German unification because he played the much important role in this process. He is known for his iron and blood policy. During this process of German unification, Otto von Bismarck waged about 3 wars over 7 years. So 3 wars were waged over 7 years for unifying all the divided German states. First war that was waged was against Denmark.